Okay, so here we can see the specification. You can see it's the EDUQAS 9:1 Computer Science GCSE. This is the first year we started teaching this is 2017, so this is actually for the 2019 summer exams. This is when the first set of exams for this will be. Okay, so going back to the specification, we've got component 1, which is the written exam, which is worth 50% of the GCSE. We've got component 2, which is worth 30% of the GCSE. This is the on-screen exam, which is where Greenfoot Javas are included, which is what the videos relate to. And then you've got the non-exam assessment, which is the remaining 20% of the GCSE covered during lessons. So, as I said, the on-screen exam, approximately 10% of that exam is the Greenfoot task, and I'm going to be doing 4 or 5 tutorials based on that. Okay, so here's to load up Greenfoot Java. You see I'm running version 2.4.2, which is an older version, but in general they are very, very similar. This is the template we're going to be using, which comes with a specimen paper, which EDUQAS released. It's very, very similar to the old specification, the WJEC specification, which has been running for probably 3 or 4 years now. So if you're doing those exams this summer, these videos will relate very, very closely to what's going to be coming up. Okay, so you can see the actual layout. We've got the sort of objects that we need to, that you add to the world there. Apologies, they're quite small, but let's compile the scenario. Takes a little bit of time, and there you can see all of the objects on the right there have been they're no longer grayed out, and the grid, which is known as actually the world, has appeared in the middle there. Here we can see the world's called ground on the right, which is a grid. They can rename it to many other things. Sometimes it's called water world, sometimes it's called ocean, but here it's just called ground. We've got a couple of other things. We've got counter, various other things, athlete, and these are all things that we will add to the world when we're doing the first part of these tasks. So here's a couple of menu options. Clearly you've got open to open the template. We've got act and run, which I'll describe in the next video. We'll demonstrate those. We've got save the world, which is going to be important as well. Okay, so this is the task that we're going to be basing the tutorials on. It's question 8 in the specimen paper, so you can refer to it there if you want the PDF copy. There's 5 or 10 different things to do, and I'm going to spread those over the next 4 or 5 tutorial videos. So thank you very much.